My name is Steve Turner. I've been with MSC for 25 years, been in this metalworking business for 54. I started with MSC as the original metalworking specialist, and I met Joe Gibbs Racing 17 years ago. We've kept that relationship open with Mark Brangle, and we would like to talk to you a little bit about some of the Accupro tools that MSC has. I'd like to talk with you about some standard ISO turning inserts. When I say ISO, I'm speaking in terms of the C style, the D style, the V style, and the W style. So now let's discover some of these ISO inserts, and I'd like to show them to you. This particular insert is a CNMG style. It is the most widely used insert in the world, especially in the United States. You can get these with different edge preps. You can get them with different chip breakers and different grades for different materials. One of the other turning inserts, ISO style, this would be a W, a trigon insert, which has 6 corners. Once again, nice edge preps, and also different chip breakers for different depths of cut. One more insert I would like to showcase with you folks, and it's the V style, the 35-degree diamond. It does a lot of profiles, and it has a great edge prep also, different depths of cut, and different corner radiuses for what you're profiling. Talking about the ISO standard turning inserts, let's highlight a V style. Here is a V style insert. This is a VNMG 332. That is an Accupro insert. Here's a C-code tool holder. It is also a MVJ&R 16-3D. It will accept our insert into this tool holder, so you'll never miss a beat. If you've got these types of tool holders in your shop, you can change it from one insert to another tool holder. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the new Accupro milling cutters, indexable type. Here's one. This is a 5-inch face mill that uses a standard SEKN insert, and these are made by a major manufacturer for MSC. This is a new venture for Accupro. What goes along with that is the Cat 50 Accupro holder. This holder is rated at 15,000 RPMs at 2.5 G. Next, want to highlight another end mill, another face mill. This is a smaller version of what you just saw. These versions come in 2, 2.5, 3, 4, and 5-inch diameter. Varying depths of cut, of course. These are made offshore by a major supplier of indexable cutting tools. Once again, our Cat 40 end mill holder and also face mill holder. These are made in Canada, and they are rated at 20,000 RPMs at 2.5 G. This is a little 2-inch diameter high feed mill, naturally shallow depths of cut, running about 150 inches per minute, maybe about 30 thousandths depth of cut. It will absolutely get the material off in any way, shape, or form. This particular one takes a different style insert, of course, and it's basically made for ferrous materials. On these milling cutters, as well as the turning inserts, we have cost savings documents which are in our MSC library, which were done by metalworking specialists all over the country. If you need any application support, please contact your metalworking specialist. With Accupro, we have a new cost-effective solution for you and your shop. Designed to meet high-performance applications, they are committed to performance and repeatability. Backed by MSC experts and more than 21,000 application optimizations in our system across different product lines. We hope that you will use Accupro. I think you'll like them.